I am thinking a perfect name for my business. Can you help me?
If you're having some trouble selecting a business name, here are some tips to consider. Imagine how the potential name will look, for example, on business cards, advertisements, and with the logo.
Thanks. What else?
Imagine also how the potential name will sound and be remembered.
Thanks for that helpful information. I agree. What else?
You also have to imagine how the potential name will distinguish you from competitors and must avoid trademark infringements.
Great. Thank you so much. Where can I get more information on how to become a successful startup business owner?
You're welcome. I'm glad to be of help. For more information on how to start your own business, visit www.startupowner.com. You will be able to access more free tips and learn how to become a successful business owner today.